So this is question 3c, a little bit of a tricky one because we've got two things with x in it. Okay, so when we usually have say e to the 5x, remember we differentiate that and bring it down the bottom, so e to the 5x over 5, okay? We're going to kind of use that method here as well. It's a definite integral because we're doing it between 3 and 0, but you do need to show that you can integrate it, even though you might do it on the calculator. So let's leave this 3x for the meantime. So I know we want to integrate it, but what will happen is that when we differentiate this bit here and put it on the bottom, our x will cancel out. So we've got 3x e to the 0.5 x squared, but when we divide, what we're going to divide it by is what that differentiates to get, and the 2 comes down the front with the 0.5 to make 1, so that just becomes 1x. And what you can see is that the x's will cancel out, and so what this integrates to get is just 3e to the 0.5 x squared. You can do it as a substitution, and I'll show you how to do that in a minute, okay? And then just put 3 into it. So 3 squared is 9, 0.5 times 9 is e to the 4.5, and if you put 0 into it, it's minus 3 to the 0, and you get 267.05. Now if you want to use the substitution method, I'll show you how to do that. So that's 3x e to the 0.5 x squared. So here we're going to let u equal 0.5 x squared. So du by dx equals 2 times 0.5 is 1 and 1x. Okay, so rearrange this because we've got a dx there to find out what dx is. So we're going to divide the 1x over there and multiply the dx over that way. So we get du over x is equal to du over x equal to dx, sorry. So now we've got e to, this is u, and instead of dx, we're going to write it du over x. And you can see then that that cancels out. So what we're going to do is integrate 3e to the u with respect to u, and therefore replace, so 3e to the u just stays as 3e to the u plus c. Oh, we're not doing plus c because we've got a definite integral between 3 and 0. Replace your u back, so 3e to the 0.5 x squared, and then substitute your values for x like I did before to get the 267.05.